In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up video in Shotcut. We're going to keep this simple and clear. I've got two clips on my timeline. The one on the left will be sped up, and the one on the right will be slowed down. You can follow along with any two clips you have in your project. Start by clicking the clip you want to make faster. In my case, that's the one on the left. Right-click that clip and choose Properties. This opens the Properties panel where you'll see field labeled Speed near the top. Change the speed to 5.0, then click Apply if you see that option, or confirm the change. As soon as you do, you'll notice the clip on the timeline gets shorter. That's normal. Speeding up a clip compresses its duration. Give it a quick preview to confirm the pacing looks right. Because that first clip is now shorter, you might see a gap between it and the next clip. To keep your edit tidy, simply drag the other clip so they sit right next to each other with no empty space in between. This keeps your playback continuous and avoids black frames in export. Now let's slow down the second clip. Select the clip on the right, right-click, and open Properties again. Change the speed from 1 tolerance to 0.25, then apply the change. This makes the clip play at a quarter of its original speed, which also makes it significantly longer on your timeline. If it pushes into other material, just make room by sliding items later in the sequence. When you preview, you'll see the motion is much slower and more dramatic. A couple of quick tips as you work. Your preview might stutter if your computer is under heavy load, especially with very fast or very slow speeds. That's just the preview. Your exported video will play smoothly. Also, if your clip has audio, changing the speed will affect the audio pitch and timing as well. That's expected when you speed up or slow down, and it can add to the effect. At this point, you've got one clip playing at 5 times the speed and the next one running at a quarter speed, back to back on the timeline. That's the core workflow for changing playback speed in Shotcut. Open Properties, adjust speed, apply, and then tidy up the timeline so everything lines up the way you want. That's it. Quick and effective. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.